welcome after another adventure. Nothing better than taking a nice hot shower on a cool morning when you're camping. And what did that for me? The Kingrver 6-gallon water heater. Check it out. The RV water heater. It's the Kingrver. That's what we're going to be installing. So you release all the pressure out of there. First thing you want to do is remove the door. Get yourself a tray, put all the items in. If you haven't done this before, you probably want to take a picture before you start during your procedure. This will help you locate anything that you might have missed or forgot. There wasn't any wind yesterday. Now there's one today. Sure you shut all the gases off too, and the electric is off. If the rubber seal's not allowing you to get the cover off, just use a plastic pry and work it around. So I have to remove the screws to get this back panel off so I can get to the back of the unit. Okay, this is the back of your water heater right here. This one is smaller than the one I'm going to be putting in. This is your gas line. These are your water lines. Water lines, gas line, and electrical. You want to take a picture of your electrical. All right, disconnect the propane line. Make sure you get your propane tanks off. Don't worry, you're going to have a little excess in your line. It'll just bleed off. Now you want to remove your water lines. They're marked on the unit itself for your hot and cold. If it isn't, make sure you take that picture. Now I'm going to just pull the unit right outside, and that's it. Be simple. It's probably about 10 pounds. Now this time he can clean up in here. Alright, this is the unit itself. When you install this, make sure that this arrow is in the vertical position. Just like that, pointing upward. Now you have to guide the wires in to make room. Since this is a little bit longer, you have to make room for it. And then we'll install the cover around it and hook up the electric, hook up the water, and hook up the gas. Okay, the gas line goes to the front, and there's a little cubby hole that you push the line through. And then it'll get connected right there. Okay, so the gas line got pushed through there. Your electrical cord will come up and around. Hot water will get connected right there. Cold water will get connected down here, right down there. Your water pump's right there. Easy peasy. Time to put sealant around here and put the cover back on. They give you a sealing tape. Make sure that you put it around and you caulk it. Trim the excess off when you're finished. Hey, good morning. I just finished installing the sealant tape and I started installing the Kingrver cover, which is very nice. Seal is a really sticky plastic gummy type seal.
The 6-gallon water tank is more proficient and more reliable than the on-demand
RV caulk around it also to make sure that everything is completely sealed off. So I'm going to finish up installing the self-tapping screws. All right, that's done. Got all the screws in place. This is just pull out, turn, open, and align the key and close. So I still have to install my guard underneath there. It's just installing screws and that'll be it. The Kingrver 6-gallon water heater is very dependable. It is very reliable to have consistent hot water. Your on-demands will fluctuate. Sometimes out of nowhere it'll just drop and then go cold, and it's not the experience you want to experience. The Kingrver has 3 adjustments for hot settings, and Kingrver water heater is very dependable. You can rely on it even in high altitudes. It has electric and gas, so it'll heat up very quickly. You know that water is going to be consistently hot. Go down to the description and check it out in the link where you can purchase the Kingrver 6-gallon water heater. It's very easy to install. Just take a before picture, make sure that all the components are in the correct area, and your electrical connections, your gas connection. All right, the install is done. It's complete. Excuse me for the generator. I do not have a 50 amp service at my house as of yet because I still haven't gotten electricity to my new garage. I have to use a generator. I'm sorry for the loudness of it, but as you can see, everything's connected. Pumps on, it's heating up. This is your selection for gas and electric. It's on gas. Now it's on electric. What temperature you want this? Temperature 140, 122, and 104. You just change it by moving this. That's all it's to it. You have 2 leads going up to here. You have your ground and your signal, and that's what you connect this to. So the whole installation and taking out the old one took about 2 hours. It went well. I don't have no issues with it. I have 6 gallons of hot water. Warming right up. That's fast hot water. The Kingrver water heater. Down in the description there will be a link so where you can get a discount and where you can buy it at. I thank you again. Happy trails everyone. Be safe, peace, be humble.